welcome back to my channel. It's me, Larry from Ray and Grace, and today I have my sister, Harmony. So today we'll be making slime. So we have all the slime stuff right here.
Yeah! It's heavy, but it's metal.
It's metal full of
metal.
Slimes already made and stuff to make slime. So we're going to be using these two glue bottles. Okay? Are you ready, Harmony?
Yeah.
So you're going to use half of this one. Okay?
Look at everybody.
So Harmony, choose your ingredients. Harmony's going to choose her ingredient. She's going to
I got glitter.
pink glitter, of
Pink
course.
dye.
And of course, okay, so Harmony, grab all your stuff. Is that all the stuff you want?
No.
Okay, choose. So far, this is what Harmony has.
I got my bowl so far.
And here's the most important ingredient. The activator. It's what activates.
What I thought it was
So, I don't know what I'm going to get. I could do this, put a little bit of slime.
I won't let me have any of the slime because it's rude.
How about this? I think I'm going to use the foam beads.
Nothing in this.
There's nothing in this. Because you're supposed to put slime in here. It's the case.
This.
You can put that in slime. It's like a hard foam.
Guys, look at this. Is my sister's. Not mine. Mine is another way.
Yeah, hers is somewhere in here. I think. Unless it's somewhere else. of
Not
course.
right here.
So I'm going to choose...
And I want to.
Maybe I should do silver.
And I want to show you what it looks like. Well, it looks so for me, right? But it's hard now.
I got all my ingredients. I'm all ready, Harmony. Are you all ready? Are you ready, Harmony? Hello?
No. I'm grabbing this.
No, that's mine. I have to use yours.
No, that's mine.
Never mind. You can use them.
That's my way.
Okay, so Harmony has all her ingredients, right? Or no?
Yeah.
So let's get started. Let me move this down.
So you can see our gorgeous stuff.
Yeah,
That's
gorgeous
gorgeous.
slime.
This is gorgeous.
Let me get my mixing bowl. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah!
She's crazy today. I'm going to use the whole bottle,
Wait.
of course.
Nothing's working!
You have to open them from there.
Oh.
Here you go, guys.
Here I go, guys. Whoa!
If I get far
Do I use all of it?
No, half of it.
I know how to do that. I got boom. Whoa!
More. Okay, that's enough.
Whoa!
Guys, oh my gosh, this is a close one. Guys, this is so crazy.
Guys, look at my glue. And glue can connect to glitter.
It could connect stuff to stick with it. I gotta make sure I don't get glue all over myself. Now, more.
With your slime video.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. Look at. Oh my gosh, there's so much glue. Shh. I never made so much slime before.
Me too!
She's crazy today, guys. We have to do something about this. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, so I got my glue.
Where'd it go?
Harmony, show them your glue.
It's gonna fall.
Now we're gonna put in the ingredients. So we're gonna put this in last.
We're gonna put this in last.
No, we're putting this in last. Okay, ready?
Yeah. So I'm gonna sprinkle
So
this in.
Harmony's gonna show her stuff, and I'll be right back.
Glitter. See, it's glitter. So this is plain glitter, but it got mixed up kind of. But it will still be pretty. And I got a little bit of this to put it. It's a little bit crunchy.
I'm back. I
That's
got
all.
paper towels. Just in case, you never know what's gonna happen.
Just in case the whole place gets on blue fire.
Glue fire. Oh, silly Harmony. Okay, did you put your ingredients in? Okay, so what are you gonna put in first?
I'm putting my glitter.
Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty, guys.
Gotta see what it looks like in.
Oh, here it goes. Whoa, look at guys. There's a little gold mixed up because me and Harmony have gold
I already
glitter.
got them there.
Oh, okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
It's gonna be so sparkly, guys.
It's gonna be
Then,
perfect.
are we gonna put this in?
Of
Of course, she's like. Okay,
Boop. Boop.
that looks so cool, guys. We'll show you in a minute. Harmony, show them.
Guys, look it.
Look at all that glitter she put. Okay,
It's
now
gonna be perfect.
I'm gonna put my ingredients. So first, I'm gonna put in my glitter. Like Harmony did. I'm putting the whole thing.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa! I'll show you guys when I'm done putting it in.
And then we'll show you when we're done. Wow.
Whoa, look at that, guys. So pretty, isn't it?
Now put in the screen in. I want to see what it looks
I got some glue on my hands. Perfect. I don't want glue on my hands.
I wish I got more.
Now,
glitter. Like
foam
different.
beads.
Guys, I wish I got some different glitter so it would be like a rainbow.
Here I go. Oh my gosh, I almost got it everywhere. That would have been a disaster.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Guys, I wish I could got more like glitter.
Harmony, you want food coloring in it?
Okay.
Okay. So you want to use paint or food coloring?
Food coloring.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the food coloring. I'll be back in any second.
And Zumba. Okay, guys, let's just wait for her to come back. Then, guys, hers is pretty. I wish I got some more. And more. Oh. I'm gonna ask her if I can use this. Can I use this?
I'm back. That was a
Can
little
I use
hard.
this?
No. You already have a
But
ton
I
of stuff.
want more glitter.
You can put more
add,
than that.
To add some more stuff.
Just a little more of that. Not much. It looks
I
so
want more
pretty.
of this.
I'm gonna use paint, guys.
I'm gonna use. See.
You
See.
Hurry, truth! Okay, this is a pink or purple. I don't care.
I'm choosing blue.
I don't care if it's pink or purple because
What color is
they're
that?
the same thing and they'll
What is
match.
it?
Okay, I'm gonna put in a few dots, guys.
Me too, guys.
1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna start with that much.
Oh, there we go.
I forgot one more thing, guys.
Wait, I put glitter in. It's
A
gonna be.
spoon. I'll be back in 1 second. This time, it's gonna try to be 1 second, bye.
Stop. Guys, I look like glitter because it has to. Don't mind if I put in the whole thing in. Ooh, that's pretty, guys. Look it. It's like a turtle. Look
I'm
it.
back. What? You put so much, Harmony?
That's perfect then.
Why'd I give you a big one? Whatever. Okay.
I got a big spoon. Boing,
I'm not
boing.
gonna put
Whoa!
that You don't even notice the glitter in mine.
Whoa, that's cool, guys. I'm making a blue.
This one looks so pretty. It looks like a purple, guys.
Mine looks like a blue. Wait, look it.
Yours is definitely blue. Show them.
Look it. It looks
It's
like
crazy. She definitely put too much.
I wish I could
food
make more
colors.
slime.
Mine needs.
I needed to put too much, guys, because I like too much stuff.
You like too much stuff, she said.
Guys, don't like slime. Comment down below if you don't like slime.
Yeah, comment down below if you like slime or you don't like slime.
I kind of don't because they're sticky. I can't even touch them.
Okay, so let's see if there's anything else I want to use.
I'm going to add some more sparkles on this because I want to. So
I'm gonna put more of this. Because you can hardly notice
Guys,
sparkles.
I'm gonna put some more sparkles so it shows them
Yeah, you can.
after. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, show them.
Guys, look it looks like a town so
Now let me move this. So pretty, guys.
Mine's
I'm gonna mix
prettier.
it.
Mine's prettier.
Yeah, you think. Okay. I'm putting enough sparkles. Okay, Okay, now the activator.
Activator time.
Are you
Wait,
excited?
mine done. Mine done.
Do you think it's done?
After.
Okay, I'm gonna open it now.
Lorraine, can you check
This
if
is
it's
brand
done or
new.
not?
You have to put activator, then it'll be slime. Right now it's just pretty glue. Pretty glue with stuff in it.
I know how to make glue.
So, Harmony's looks like a sky.
What am I
Like
doing?
a sparkly
I
sky.
thought it was pink. I mean blue.
So it's like, it looks like the sky. Mine looks like
Guys, I better
a
put this
confetti
back.
party.
I better put this back so it won't spill.
Okay. I'm put mine in first. Oh my gosh. I'm start with that much.
Now mix it again.
Okay, mix it. Yeah. It's already getting slimy. See? Oh, it's getting slimy.
Let's get slimy. Get off of my stick.
Oh, see that, guys?
You see that, guys? Mix. The red bird, cause
What?
she didn't let me have the slime. Let me get this one.
No, honey.
Well, look at that so far, guys.
I'm gonna try to touch it. Okay, guys. I touched it. Definitely needs more.
Whoa, guys, it's
Good
sticky
thing
and
I have
scubbly.
Okay.
Boing, 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 boing.
That looks so pretty, Harmony. Show them. Look at that. Look at. Isn't that pretty?
Wow!
That was came out of nowhere.
You got some there. Well, and that's good.
I think we need to knead it.
I think I need to it.
Okay, we're gonna put this on the table. We're putting this on the table, guys.
No way.
Everybody does that. They grab the slime and put it on the table.
Guys, I don't think mom's ready for that. Touch it. Touch it.
Definitely not ready. It's sticking to me.
Whoa! Guys,
You need more. It's all obvious. You need
Lorraine,
more.
can you mix it? And that's fine. Okay, guys, I'll be right back.
I'm gonna go check on Zozo. She can eat it now, but she'll get a little bit on her hand because she put too much food coloring. Yeah. So now I'm gonna need mine
Guys, where's Zoe?
outside. I think she's outside. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm scared to hold it. Here, I'm gonna put some on my hand and scrub it in. Okay, I got it in. Okay, I rub it in like soap. Now I'm gonna take it out. I always do this if I'm making slime. I'm gonna take it out. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so awesome. Right now, I don't even feel how sticky it is. I hardly do. Now I'm feeling how sticky it is. Oh, I have like never made a crunchy slime before. My first time feeling it. It's amazing. It's not too stretchy. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. I'm in love with it.
Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo.
Herm, look at my slime.
Peekaboo.
Look at-
Peekaboo. Woo. Peekaboo. My name
Oh,
is
hi,
Zoe.
Zoe.
My name is Zoe. My name is Peekaboo. Just kidding. My name is Zoe.
I made an Instagram swirl. I think that's what they call it. Okay, let me destroy it.
Okay, is it done? Can I put it on the
Ooh,
table
it's a
now?
cookie sign. If you want to, but if you want to hold it, put this in your hands. So you scrub it in like soap, so it won't stick to you as.
Okay, put it in.
Go like that. Go like that. Okay. Scrub it in like soap. Go like that.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Just keep doing it, Harmony.
What if it kills me?
Kill you.
I don't want to.
Guys, my slime is done.
My slime is done too.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go up to the camera and show you.
Ew.
Ta-da!
Ew.
What?
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Zoe.
Ew. Ew.
Come here. So
Ew. Ew.
she wants to play right now.
Cause she's been outside for 12 hours.
Not 12 hours. That's like 10 minutes.
Ew. Ew.
You need more activator?
Ew. No, I have enough.
You definitely put too much of the food dye.
That's perfect.
Mine is stretchy now.
Mine is stretchy now.
My slime's perfect. I love it.
Mine is stretchy now.
This is not stretchy. Okay, Harmony, let's clean your hands real quick. Take a break.
Yeah,
Take a break. Put it there. Take a break.
No, stick. I'm not taking a break.
Harmony, we have to end the video soon.
Okay.
I probably can't make a bubble. I'm a little rusty. I haven't made a bubble and
I can make a bubble.
almost stick to my pants, but didn't stick because I don't want to. I think I over-activated it a little
Guys,
bit.
the thing I hate about mine is not stretchy.
No, I made a hole. Almost. I made a little crunch.
Almost, Baby Ray.
Definitely not. Harmony slime, I think it was a fail.
Yeah, mine's a fail.
Mine's not though. Oops.
Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to throw this away.
Yeah. Put that down so we can wipe our hands. So we
No,
get
I'm
rid of
not
it.
throwing away this. Look at my old slime.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what my slime can do. Now, Harmony, you have to be silent for this. Okay,
Silent.
okay, now I'm gonna do the book. Listen.
Silent.
Stinker. Okay, listen.
That bit me. Boing.
Guys, doesn't that sound so satisfying?
No.
Let me come over and show you again. It's so cool.
Guys, I can't show you because mine's messy. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm gonna poke. It's hard to hear from here because you're on camera. She probably doesn't like you. I'm gonna practice making bubbles, guys, because I'm not good. It might be because I over-activated it a little. It's a little rough. Yep. I over-activated just the tiny little bit. Harmony, come here. I'm ending the video. Yeah, she's coming. So show them your slime.
Look, what this was my hand.
Here's her slime.
And I got soap.
So let me get a close-up of her slime.
Let me get a close up.
Okay, there's her hand.
I'm washing my hands. The back.
Oh,
No, I got the back.
she definitely over-activated it and put too much food color. And that's what she did wrong. Shh. Okay, now I'm going to show you my slime. It's this beautiful slime like Harmony's,
Mine's
but
beautiful.
a better texture.
Guys, comment down below who you like better.
Probably mine. Well, anyways, guys, come on.
Guys, you hurt my feelings if you want.
Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys
Okay,
later.
listen.
Harmony. Okay.